All right, here we are in the New York session, exceptionally. Well, I mean, this is something that I didn't do since, I think, since like half year ago or something. But we're in and we're here. And by the way, this trade is on a challenge account right now, but I can tell you guys that I already take this trade on my live actually funded account. This is a funded account right now on NinjaTrader. I'm gonna let you guys in a small secret. This is a micro contract, so not mini but micro. So 16 points up. We'll see how it goes. I'm not willing to risk more than I have to, especially not on my New York public session. I'm a little shy. That's it. All right. Drop the likes. You know, guys, what's the drill? And so, as you can see, I'm already in a trade. The only reason is that there was a 4-hour... Oh, sorry. What the hell am I doing? 4-hour consequent encroachment level here. And, you know, price pretty much respected this level on the 4-hour chart right here. And so I thought that, okay, if this has been respected and, you know, there has been an accumulation phase, there might have been a manipulation during the news and the distribution is continuing to the upside, and my target would be actually the 16,945 level. But definitely go to the 900s. And so I think that above these equal highs there is quite some liquidity up there. So I wouldn't be surprised if this could have been a manipulation right here after news, and now the distribution continues higher, and basically that's it. That's what I'm aiming for. And what else is there to say? I took actually the same trade on my live account or funded account. Actually, it's not live, it's a simulated funded account, as everybody knows. Here it is in NinjaTrader, only with 2 micros, as you can see, MNQ down there, not NQ. So I took it on a micro account. Oh, sorry, micro Nasdaq. So 2 micros for me. For now, it's great. If I lose it, I don't care too much because it's just gonna be a small one. But this other one is actually a mini contract on a challenge account. Managed to recoup this above 152. In the London session, I was down to 151,700. We'll see how this goes. I know we are right before market opens, so I took the risk. I calculated it and I said, okay, if this one is going to drop down into that liquidity void, which was from yesterday, so be it. Then it had to happen, you know, I can't do anything else with it. So I'm gonna deal with that situation. But for now, the trade is on, and I just hope for the best. What else is there to say, right? Retracing a little bit. Also, we can see a bullish order block too. Not too perfect, but it still is a bullish order block on the 5-minute. Let's see the 15-minute. Well, not much to see on the 15-minute. It spiked down. It took out a fair value gap down here as well. The only thing that concerns me is that liquidity void down there, which can also be seen on the 15-minute chart. So that is a little bit of concerning to me, but pretty much it looks like price didn't really wanted to go down here. Actually, it spiked down there, took some liquidity, and now these relative equal highs could be the target for the distribution. Maybe above the 900s, if that would be the case. But if not, then we have to see this one go right down there. And I'm gonna be watching that. We have to detach from emotions here and just, you know, be patient. I know market open can screw up everything. Sorry, excuse me for my French, but we have to deal with that. If it takes me out, it takes me out, and we're just gonna continue grinding. That's what we do. So started out nicely with this fair value gap. Now, as you can see, it can just dip lower. So also this one here can be yeah, I'm not putting it there. A bullish order block too, right there. Should I put a marker there? I don't know. Well, bullish order block, 5 minute. Not that it matters too much, but we had this gap, tapped into that. Let's see if the order block is gonna hold as well. So this was well, I mean, it's almost like a bullish breaker as well. Not saying that it's the best of the best setups, but you know, if we say that this could have been a manipulation, that, you know, we can see anything. And as you can see, just before market open, it can, you know, shake us out from the position. I didn't really wanted to put my stop too much down there, because if it really starts to shake and just spikes down, why should I lose more? If it trades down below these levels, then most likely we're gonna go and touch the 800 and then even go to the liquidity void. I'm willing to lose that if I have to. And guys, again, if you can please push the like button, that would be great. Oh, by the way, let me start the chat window here, because it's just not working. What the hell is going on? My chat window is not functioning. It should be. Okay, it's working. All right, it's working. Nice. Chat is working. I want to test it out. All right, it's working. Great. So we're just waiting, and what else can I say? Waiting for that market open. Yeah. Let me do a quick phone call before we open the market. Alright, I'm here. So, right before market open, entered on this 5-minute candle, fair value gap, sorry. I hope that the distribution continues to the relative equal highs up there. And basically that's all. That's all I can say about this. So yes, I'm in a trade before the open. I know it's riskier. If it would continue to spike lower, then I would think that we're going to drop down into this liquidity void down there. So yeah. So that could be interesting. That could definitely be interesting. We'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on that for sure. It seems like it's going. As I said, we knew the risks. And now we're just gonna go with it. So if we're going down here, I would think that we have a fair chance that it's gonna go down all the way. Well, it can go all the way down to below 790-ish. Or maybe we're just gonna kill the trade before open. Ah, it's very low. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. But let's wait a little bit more. I don't really want to hold it too much below this level, because then it's definitely going to drop. Not much time left, so I'm just gonna wait. If it takes us out, then it's gonna take us out. Then I'm gonna be focusing definitely for these levels down there. Let's see the 1 hour. Almost to the tick on this one. Maybe my stop is a little tight. I admit that. But what can we do? Not a big deal. So let's just wait. Seems like it wants to go down. What is the distance from here? We have this gap around 75. Yeah, it can definitely go all the way down there. Yeah, I know that. Hey there, Sarvesh. It's a risky entry. That's why I only entered with one contract here, and I've only entered 2 micros here, and it's gonna stop me out. But it's 2 micros, as you can see. Not doing anything crazy. So very, very small trades. Not really having a heart attack on this one, but I was checking out this 5-minute fair value gap, and it was so beautiful, including the fact that it's also a 5-minute bullish order block. And so I had the theory that if this was a manipulation phase, and we tag down to multiple fair value gaps, then we might see a distribution higher. Of course, that doesn't mean that we're not gonna spike down, but I took the risk before market open, and you know, that's it. What else can I say? It is what it is. It's a very tiny position, and on this challenge account it's only one contract, and I took this account back to 152, so I don't mind this trade. But if we go through here, then I would think that we're gonna get down here and reprice this liquidity void, as we can see it right now. So it can happen very easily. So I knew the risk, I knew what I'm going for. I was actually, because when I took trade, it went up here, so I didn't really thought that it can drop down before they open to this area. But as I said, I knew the risk, and that's it. What else to say? I'm willing to, you know, lose this position. And if I do, then I'm gonna be eyeballing these levels down there. I think maybe lots of institutions are looking for that liquidity void too down there, but if this was a manipulation, then a distribution phase can come here. So even if I get stopped out, I'm gonna be watching for possible reversals to the upside and maybe take a second entry, especially because it's just a small one, but it's gonna take me out, it seems like it, or not yet, who knows. We have very interesting reaction right now. Very, 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 very interesting reaction. I don't know. I do not know. We're just gonna have to wait. Entered on 2, but closed the break even. I was hoping for a clean move. Yes. Yeah. Do you have a fixed dollar risk per trade, or do you just look for... yeah, well, I try to calculate it as fast as I can. Most likely on a challenge account, I'm willing to risk about $500 to $600 per trade, plus minus. On my funded account, I'm looking to risk about $100, $150 per trade, and I'm allowing myself to go down on a funded account to $500 to $600 negative. It's all right. I can deal with that. I think that's the threshold. And on the challenge account, I don't really care. I just go down to, well, not that I don't really care, but I can go down to 2,000 or more than 2,000 if I really have to, because I'm using minis. So that's how I try to control it. Sometimes it's hard. Definitely, it's hard sometimes, but it is what it is. But it's a risky position here, and I just got saved for a brief minute here from this one, but this is a risky position, that's for sure. Still, if it spikes me out, I will be looking for a redistribution higher. But I have to keep in mind this liquidity void. So, yeah. Don't forget the likes, guys. So, let's look for that. And by the way, I don't have lights in my room because I just changed everything. So... anyway, how much time do we have? We have around 2 minutes until market open. I'm not going to freak out if it spikes me out. It's gonna happen now anyways. We are just going to look for possible reversals on the lower levels. So I'm not freaked out about it, so that's it. It could have been great, but it's not gonna happen, it seems like. Yeah, I'm gonna get taken out here. Unfortunate, but it's in trading. Let's just see how far is it going to go down. Because I think it's gonna take out that low at 086, and if it does, then most likely this position is over anyway. So if it does take it out, I'm really curious if we're gonna reprice this down there. So I got taken out from that, which is fine. Let's look for some possible entries. Market open is in less than 30 seconds. So let's just watch it. I'm gonna be looking at the 30-second chart, and the left side is the 500 tick chart. So market is opening in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. All right, seems like it wants to go lower for now. Are we going to have a reaction? Sorry, this is NQ. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Feels like it wants to drop, but let's see what ES is doing. ES spiked up a little bit. Still going down. Well, no, it's staying in one place. I'm not sure if it wants to go up or not. Does it want to redistribute higher or not? That's the big question. I would really like to take a long here. Especially because we're still inside the 5-minute entry level. All right. Because it was in a 5-minute level, so I would be really curious how's it going up there. I feel like it wants to redistribute higher, but I don't know. It feels like it. Let's see if that 5-minute is going to give us that push. We have some nice levels on the tick chart as well. I just wonder if the original idea was still good or not. Because I would love to see this one go much higher. To me, it seems like it wants to go, but you know, who can tell? So technically this 5-minute entry was still valid, and you know, as a distribution phase this would be still okay to the upside, since everybody's short to get down into this void. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to observe it and watch it closely. Let's go a little bit to the 5-minute. We have a bullish order block, we have a fair value gap, but I don't know where it wants to go. It can just consolidate as well. We can check the I can check ES as well. ES is pushing, yeah, because it went high. It can be pushing higher. I mean, the 800 level is quite close, so that can help the NQ. Dollar index is getting lower a little bit. I don't know. Just have to wait until this one decides where it really wants to go. The liquidity void is down there. So it can go for that easily. So let's see what it wants to do. Does it want to go down or want to go up? That is the question. Now it seems like it wants to dump. So it's a waiting game, guys. We just have to wait. Cannot do anything else. It's the waiting game. Pretty much just chopping around. No direction here. But if it takes a direction, I'm not gonna be surprised if we go to the 800s. So let's wait. Yeah, usually the further useless. There's something really clear. I've noticed this. Yes, it can happen, especially at Seek and Destroy days. You're right. You're right, Sarvish. So let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. If there is something is going on, we should see it on the 5-minute. So so far I think everything is pretty much undecisive. The only thing I was thinking is that it might want to redistribute to these equal highs up there. That was the main plan. So it gave an opportunity, and that's why I took it pre-market. So let's go ahead and wait. We are just waiting. I mean, it was a breaker, it was a fair value gap as well. I don't know. Still waiting for reaction. Market is definitely just standing in one place. Nothing major is happening. Interesting. Maybe it really wants to dump down to that fair value gap down. I don't know. If it does, I might would be interested to jump in on a short, but I really need a displacement to take a short to that area down there. I don't know. We're still hovering around the opening area. I would also suppose that a lot of traders want to close the gap between regular trading hours and electronic trading hours. So must be a lot of shorts. That's why I think there is definitely some liquidity up there, but we have to wait. Until we find the direction. Or if it's going to distribute to the highs, maybe we can grab some of the action with the fair value gap. So far it's pretty much ranging. We are in a daily discount, which is good, but I don't know. I'm gonna put the 900 level here as well, just so we can see it. And let's see where it wants to redistribute all this. For now, it's heading for the daily midnight open, and not too much above that is the equal highs. I don't know. Definitely interesting. I would imagine that retail traders, I mean, a lot of retail traders are short from up there, especially since today, after the new day opening. I mean, I would say that a lot of, money is there, a lot of stops are there, and I would think that the algorithm would like to squeeze them out. Sweeping, I know you don't trade DAO, but could be doing a textbook setup right now. Sweeping London, rejecting H4. Really? Okay. DAO. Where is DAO? Is that? This is DAO. Rejecting H4. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That is good sign actually for the longs. What is the is there a historical high here as well? Oh yeah, definitely there is. Look at that. So Dow is looking nicely bullish right there with the buy side liquidity right there. Definitely interesting. I'm still looking for this 5-minute. I'm curious if it wants to sweep that equal highs up there as target, or redistribute, sorry, because it swept some liquidity down here, and that's why I'm curious if it wants to go up there. So let's see. I would love to see some possible scalping opportunity or something. Or maybe it's just gonna run straight to the highs at 85, which is not too far for NQ. It's 25 points for NQ. It's not a big deal, I would say. If it doesn't really want to do it, then I don't know. What else we have here? Do we have... we have a bearish order block, but we already reacted on it. What else do we have on the 15-minute? Nothing serious, but... yeah, or we could be just consolidating here. We could be just consolidating here. But I would really love to see take out this relative equal highs up there. I bet there is a lot of stops above that level. There should be. Push the likes, guys. Come on. Is it gonna go there? It seems like it wants to sweep that high. I'm gonna grab a snack here. I'm gonna drink something too. For me, it seems like it wants to sweep that high. It's not too far. It's actually 10 or something points away, 15 points. Is it going to fail or not? Who knows? Five-minute is rejecting. Okay. Okay, it's dumping. What can we see on the 3-minute? Nothing. Alright, it's dumping down. Seems like it's gonna fail. Is it the Judas swing? What is ES doing? ES retraced a little bit down as well. Dragging the NQ down with it. Let's see. Does it want to go down or continue up? Still nothing to do here, by the way. Swept some highs. Also a new high on the 15 minutes, so maybe there can be a reversal and dump down to that liquidity void I was talking about. Let's see what it does, especially on the 1 minute. Is it gonna go down? I'm curious, really. It seems like it wants to, but do we have any bullish order block that supports this? Not really. It's just chopping. Choppy action. Yeah, there are relatively equal highs up there, but I don't know. I don't know. Do we have any news other than this? No news. Press conference is over. Yeah. No news. Seems like it wants to continue the dump. 275. I don't know. And it's interesting how this price action occurred just at the 4-hour CE level. It respects this level pretty much, this 829, 828 level. It's pretty much respecting it. So that's something we have to consider, that and this bullish order block and the fair value gap is still holding. I don't know. I can imagine that a lot of people jumped into a short there. but no structure break there. Structure break on the 32nd here, so you can jump into a short right there. If you want to. But otherwise, I'm not doing anything yet. I'm just waiting. So let's wait together, shall we? And if you want to buy a new Apex account, use my code. Let's just wait and see where it goes. I'm curious if it wants to take out the London. It was London High, actually. Well, London Kill Zone, but didn't take out the London High. Still below the Midnight Open. We have equal highs up there. Distributed lower as a manipulation. I still say that. So I would really like this one to go higher. So let's wait. It's not an easy day. I mean, yesterday wasn't easy, but this one is not easy as well. Maybe the 10 to 11 a.m. is going to give us some direction or some clarity of what price wants to do. Looking for those highs, so I just wonder if we get there, what's gonna happen if we get there. But if I zoom it out here, if I look at these two candles on the 5-minute, it's very strong. It's a strong high. I would really love to see that to be broken. Is it gonna get broken? I don't know. It's getting there, slowly. But these highs are up here. So we still need a push there. Got denied. I'm really tempted to take the Dow trade, but my plan for this week is only trade NQ. Not sure what to do. Let's check the Dow. Almost. Okay. I thought I'm going to sneeze. Oh, the Dow trade is looking... Yeah, it's really tempting. I'm just checking. So, oh, look at that. How it got rejected, the NQ. NQ got rejected. And ES got rejected as well. Denial on the upside. Wow, what a price action. Right around taking those high, and look at that. And let's look at Dow. I think Dow should be having some kind of a similar reaction. Don't take the Dow trade. That's what I would do. I wouldn't take it. I would be waiting. I know it's tempting. I don't know. I mean, I can't say that. I'm sorry I said that. Be careful. Now is a good entry to go long, actually. With a tight stop. With a very, very tight stop, you can go. Put it here. Because if it dumps down, you're gonna be out, you know, fast. But NQ, wow. Look at that. Push to this high. Almost took out this relative equal high. And now back to the zone. That's crazy. That's crazy. We don't have... Well... bullish order block here. This is a bullish order block. Is this a bullish order block? Not perfectly. But almost. This one here. Help me out, because I'm really confused nowadays, because I'm studying order blocks and I heard so many different theories. So please help me out, anyone. This is a bullish order block on the 5-minute. Right there. Let me bring it to the front. It's on the front. Alright, so is this a bullish order block from this down close candle with the wick, new low, and then boom, change in direction? I don't know. I'm really confused. Let's check the 1-minute chart. So it took out the highs on the 15-minute chart. On the 30-second chart, there was an entry right there. So I think it's going to dump. Seems like it wants to dump. Oh wow, I might have missed my entry there. I think it's changing. It's changing. Look at that dump. 34. It's going down, man. Looks like it wants to go down. Like, if it wants to take out that low. But if we take out that low, then where do we go from there? It's choppy price action, guys. It's really choppy. I would love to say otherwise, but look at that. There is nothing on the 5-minute, nothing really on the I don't know. It's choppy. Even if I go here, the 30-second had an entry here. Just saying, the 30-second chart right there. Now it's dumping down to this level, so you can short it if you want to. But you know, it can go down to take out this low at 0850. Have to be careful. It can go down to 0850 in a matter of seconds for this low. If it takes it out, then, you know, this was the market open right there. If it takes out this low, then it can easily dump. This is the 30-second NQ chart. Looks like it wants to dump down below there. Pushed all the way up. And now it seems like it wants to dump. This is the 1 minute. I don't know, guys. Looks crazy. Is it going to dump or not? That's the big question. Because if it will, then it can go all the way down to the 800. Look at that, it's not taking out that liquidity over there. Tricky, very, very, very tricky price action here. So be careful here, but I don't know, it's very close. It's only 10 points away from that low. Some party going near my house and people who can't sing. Oh, making you angry. Oh, I know. That disturbing. Yeah, I know. That could be disturbing. So I wonder if it's gonna take out that low, because here's the market opening range. Is it gonna dump down there or not? For now, it seems like it, and if it goes down there, then it's just gonna take out this low, which it did. So, that's interesting. Okay, now somebody could tell me what the heck is going on, because for me, it seems like now that it wants to go for that liquidity void. So total chop. Total chop seems like it wants to go there to, what's the low of this? 75. Do you guys think it's gonna go to 75? I think it will. Do we want to risk it? Is there any kind of entry? What is ES doing? ES has an order block down there on the 15 minute and some swing lows. It can go down as well. So far, NQ is tracing back up. Honestly, guys, I don't really see anything. What the hell is going on here? And I don't know what the hell is going on with my what the hell is going on here? Very strange day today. I don't know what the hell is going on. All I can tell you guys is that I made some money on the scalps. I can share you this screen right there. I made $176 on one of my funded and 89 on my other funded account right now. And I also was mirroring the trade to one of my challenge account, made $400 with one contract. Seems like it wants to go down. I just don't see the entry. I mean, on the 500 tick chart on the left side, there are plenty of entries. But this consolidation, I don't really like. But it made a new low, so we're looking into maybe a market structure shift, and it might be what Sarvesh said, that it's gonna be a seek and destroy day. Could be. So this is the 1 minute chart. We made a new low, so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, lower low. Okay. Fair value gap is here. So a small fair value gap is down there on the 1 minute. If anyone wants to take it, then it's up for grabs. I might want to take it. I don't know. Maybe I'll take it. Who knows? I don't know. All right, it started to go up. Now this is strange. Look at that. Higher highs, lower lows. Who knows what the hell is going on? Now this is repricing this 5 minute gap. Let's put a gap here as well. This is too much. So now we did have a reaction. Maybe you guys want to go short here. It's a bearish breaker, just saying, you know. It's technically a bearish breaker. Just saying, you don't have to take it. I took it. I took it. I took this trade. It's a bearish breaker. And I don't even know what I'm targeting. I don't even know if I'm going to hold it. But I took this trade. And let's see where it goes. If it goes somewhere. If it goes somewhere, it should be breaking the 800. If not, then I'm just gonna close it. If it will go somewhere, it should go down to, well, I'm gonna be taking a partial at 03 maybe? I don't know. Just gonna put a buy limit there. But if it goes up, I'm just gonna exit and leave it as it is. Seems like it wants to disrespect that breaker. For now. And it also a bearish order block. If you look at it closer on the 3-minute. Also on the 5-minute. But hard to tell. Yeah. Well, on the 3-minute it's a bearish order block. And if we're gonna dump down, then we should be heading lower to 800. Question is, are we gonna reprice those levels or not? That's the big question. So let's see. What can we do? Is it gonna go lower? Who knows? I have to check something real quick. Is it gonna go down or not? That's the question. No, it's not going down. It's going up. Oh, it's going down. It's going down to that, what's it called? That liquidity void. Oh my god, my Streamlabs is messing up the whole chat. Sorry about that. We also have a 4-hour FVG down there. Yeah. It's trading like a bank holiday. Yeah. Look at that. We're gonna go down to 75. We're gonna tap into that liquidity void. It's below 75.25. It's gonna go down there. I'm so sure, but I'm tempted to jump into a scalp, but it's gonna go to 75.25. It's I'm very, very sure about that. It's gonna go down there. I think it will. I think it will go down there. But this trading day so far, I must say that it's crazy. I mean, look at that. Since 9:30, boom, boom. I mean, it's really hard to make. Oh yeah, I'm streaming the New York session. Aaron and everyone, applause. Buy some Apex account with my affiliate link and code. Support the stream. Aaron Music, hey there. Well, you know, it was a real choppy action. All I can show you guys actually is that two of my Express funded accounts. Actually, the numbers, you can't see the numbers, so I don't want to be in public. But I made some money. The first two are funded accounts, $234 and $127. Only trading 1 and 2 micros. So only trading micros today, not minis, only micros. And this one down here is a challenge account. Actually, I can show you guys. So I have challenge accounts. In this session I made with one contract $820 on this challenge accounts. It's up to 154,652. This other one is 153,940. I didn't trade on this one, and the other ones are practice accounts. We're gonna go down to that, I think, that 75 area right there. Okay, let's see what's the tick chart is showing us. It's looking interesting. Why is it my OBS is spamming my chat? What the hell is going on with this? Anyway, sorry guys, I have to reset my OBS. It's spamming the chat. I'm sorry. I don't have time to fix it now, but next time I will. Next time I will do something about that. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. There. Honestly, if we look at the 5 minute, what the hell can we trade on this? It's a total, it's a crapshoot. It's untradeable, honestly. The only thing we know is that we made new lows. It doesn't really want to dump down into that 75 area. So what can we do? I don't know. I don't know. Oh my god, it's spamming like crazy. My OBS chatbot is spamming. I think I have to change the interval for the chatbot. Anyway, on the 5 minute, there's nothing really going on. I'm gonna delete that. No order block. Fair value gap here. Tom, do not think I'm not here. I'm here always. But I need to work beside trading and watching your streams, so I have to pause many times. Hey, Arrow Music. I truly admire that you are here. So thank you. Thank you. I will crash my PA fast. So I can use your... Alright. Thank you. Thank you. It feels like everyone traded a little too much yesterday after Powell, and now they're taking a break. Thank you so much for pushing the like button, by the way. Guys, you are great. Do subscribe to the channel. Love you all. Arrow Music, thank you for the kind words. And, you know, I made a little bit of profit today, not too much, with micros, only trading micros. And anyway, it is what it is. But look at that. On the 5 minute, it traded into this fair value gap. So I would say that thank you for I see these icons. There's, I don't know what are these called, hearts and 100% or whatever these signs here popping up is cool. Thank you. And so so I think it should go down here to at least reprice the liquidity void. But honestly, guys, the thing what we see, look at this, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. What the hell is going on? I don't know. And it rhymes too. We should make a music for that. Guys, I know my light is very bad. I'm gonna buy, if I'm gonna stream New York on YouTube, I'm gonna buy a lamp here behind my screens, and you guys could see my shiny face. So now I just have my, I don't even know what's it called. It's a small lamp here. It's dark and it's 4:30 p.m. So 4:30 p.m. and it's already dark here. So I'm living in hell, basically. All right. So I don't know what to make of this. Table lamp. I'm gonna show you what kind of lamp I have. I'm gonna show you what kind of lamp I have next to my desk. Maybe I will find it. It's more important than trading now, because charts are... What the hell is happening? Look at that. It's gonna go down to the liquidity void. Damn it. It's gonna go down. So if you took a short there, you're going down to that liquidity void at 75. You can still jump in for 10 points if you want to. I'm not going to. But if you want to, you can. It's still 10 points. But mind your risk. I'm not gonna find it. I can't find it, so that's it. Table lamp. Vote for label temp. All right. Okay, it's 90. Yeah, you're good. You're still good for 15 points there, but reacted to this 5-minute FVG. I'm gonna type that in. And we're going down to 75. It should reprice it, at least with a, you know, at least it should go down with a wick, like boom. And it's just not going there. Not yet. Small fair value gap on the 1 minute here. It's gonna go down. It's almost like 100. There you go. It's gonna go down to 75. It should. It has to. It has to reprice this void. At least a wick into it, like boom, and then we'll see what happens. But it also can spike up before it wicks down. So that's a correct pronunciation in expression. Okay, there you go. It's in the 1 minute fair value gap. It doesn't get any better than this. Do not do anything. I'm just an idiot. Don't listen to me. This is not financial advice. You can do anything you want. What I want to do actually is I might gonna take this trade on my challenge account, which is the which one is it? Which one is it? I might going to take it on my challenge account there. I took it on my challenge account. I entered on a short on my challenge account. 4 contracts. Just saying, guys. 4 contracts. Mini contracts, not micros. Challenge account. So don't do this. I'm an idiot. Don't listen to me. I'm an absolute moron. I don't know what I'm doing. So do not listen to me. I absolutely have no idea what the hell am I doing. I'm just pushing buttons all over the place. If I see something, I just push the button and I'm a complete moron. I have absolutely no idea what the market is doing. My TP is at 78.25. I entered at 93.75. And maybe I will close it manually if it's going to act crazy around here. It's a scalp trade and it's already against me. Down $500. I might going to it's a challenge account, guys. So okay, last line of defense. bearish order block on the 1 minute. Let's see if it reacts to it. Not. Maybe. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Me clicking buttons only 2. Green for today anyways. Well, that's good, you know. I'm going to show you how bad I am right now. As you can see, this is the challenge account down minus 500. The funded accounts are up 200 and 127. And the other challenge account is up 820. But this one, as you can see, it's looking pretty bad, but almost in profit again. And that's how it goes. If it's going higher, I'm gonna close it with a minus 1500 or something. I don't know. 4 contracts is gonna take me out soon. My other one is actually in great condition. I'm still hoping that it will tap down into that. But the thing is that we have a market structure shift on the 1 minute, so you are green as well. Yet, but you know, who knows what's gonna happen. I wanted to see this. I wanted to see this liquidity void to be filled. All right, I might close it down here. It's getting ridiculous, this trade. Yeah, I'm closing it. Damn it. Well, this challenge account already took a hit. Back to the fair value gap on the 5 minute, which is also a bearish order block. Go down, please. We are going to watch Don Rickles' comedy until the trade is not going to go. Into our favor. I was lying, actually. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in this short. Look at that. I'm still in the total profit. It's still on. I'm still short, and my TP is still at 78.75. Why was I lying? Who cares? All right, it's going nicely. It's going nicely. Do you have any advice how to stick to a plan? I decide one thing before the week begins and I'm doing all sorts of nonsense during it. Well, there is the short version and the long version. The short version, take some Xanax. No. Just idea what helped me in this jungle of FVGs indicators, which only positive on my one shot, so you don't need to paint every. Yes, I understand what you're saying. So yeah, Aero Music, absolutely agree. What the hell is going on? Okay, there you go. Take profit hit. Total profit on this challenge account is 1,240, and so I can show you guys that the challenge accounts are, one is up 155, 154, so looking good, looking good. I told you guys it's gonna go down to 75. So same here. I know what you're talking about, Maverick, by the way, so let's get back to your question. The thing is that I always have a plan as well. Every week. Every weekend when it starts, I always have a plan, and all right, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and I'm only gonna take this kind of fair value gaps. I'm only going to have this kind of confirmation from this and that. But then I start to take, as you said, the same here, start to take all sorts of longs and shorts on all kind of fair value gaps. Oh my god, we're tanking. We're repricing all the way down to 66. All right. So I have trading journal too, but it's like when I start trading, I'm a different person. Oh man, Maverick or Sarvesh. I'm gonna call you Maverick. It's better. I mean, I like Sarvesh too. So it's the same for me. I suffer from the same thing almost every week. And there is one thing. What kind of size you're trading with, Maverick? You're trading 1 minis. Do you have funded account right now? I don't even know. I'm sorry, but I don't remember if you told me. What size do you trade on a funded account, and what size do you trade on a challenge account? Because the thing that helps me, for example, today, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Nobody knows it's gonna be a secret. I was nervous before coming into the New York stream because don't switch your style indicators, or else stick to your chart setup and stick to one model. So I totally agree with the idea that strategy hopping is not a good thing. 60 can on fivers, I risk 200. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So don't change things too often. You have to master your idea first, and don't switch it every week. Yes. You're not funded yet. All right. So what I would say, go with smaller size. I know it's gonna take longer. I know, Maverick. I know. But go with smaller trades. I understand, but I understand we all want to make quick money. But is it unlimited time at Fivers? I guess it's already, they already have the unlimited time period. So the Fivers are a good company, by the way. So go with smaller size. Go with $50 or 100. I know it might sound stupid, but you will still feel your skin in the game, and try to build at least 2 or 3 weeks of constant trading with one chart. Unlimited, very good. So I would go with smaller size. That always helped me. That really, when I was lost, I just went down to smaller size. So that way, if I suffered some loss, it was much easier to digest, and I wasn't really hesitating too much on a particular trade setup. If I saw something and I knew that I'm gonna enter with a small lot size, I just took it. That's how simple it was. I just said, all right, I'm just gonna take it. What can I lose? You know, what can you lose? You lose $50 or $100 from the 60K account, and you can enter here if you really want to trade more. Then, you know, maybe take 1 or 2 more trades. Why not? And feel it. Gain more experience. So, but stick to your model. Stick to your model and do 2 or 3 weeks like this. That's what I would say. What helped me was to tell myself only one trade from 9 to 10 a.m. Only one trade from that arrow music. That one trade situation, that killed me. That really killed me. I couldn't handle it. I'm gonna be honest. That one trade in this session and that session, and one trade today and maximum 2-day trade. No, I couldn't do that. If you can do that, my deepest respect to you, man. If you can do that, my deepest respect. I cannot do that. I can't. I'm unable to tell myself that, yeah, just one trade in this session. No, I am not. I can't. I can't. I'm unable to do that. So you have a skill there. No problem for my. I understand you completely fine, Aaron. I completely fine. I'm thinking the same. 100 risk per trade and 500. That's it, Maverick. That's it. Go risk $80 or 90 or 100. And you can dive into the market more. You can take more positions, and you can feel the outcome. Your brain is going to register more market movements, and you're gonna gain more confidence. But stick to one model. Don't change your don't change your strategy. Sorry, don't change it. Stick to one model. I wanted to change many times from ICT, but actually I realized that the more I experienced the trades and I executed the model, I realized the better I got. So I am definitely not going to change from the smart money concepts. Not that I think the other models are bad or something. I think there are many, many great trading models out there. But I'm just not going to relearn everything and mess up my brain. No, no way. I'm sticking to this. And this is what I want to master. Quote unquote master. So, today, for example, I disabled the dollar showing me. Hey, I disabled it too. Look at this. I'm going to go with the practice account and look at this. Look at what I'm doing here. As you can see, what you see here is just a point. I took a trade, I took a buy, it's just a practice account, it's a demo account. As you can see, I did the same. I only see the points. I only see the points if I take a trade, and not the dollar amount. This way my brain is working much better. I don't see the dollar amount. It's way better for me. I realize that's a personal preference, so you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna close this trade because it's just a practice account. So anyway, you can do it. And by the way, do we have a setup or something? We're doing like a therapy session right now, and we're missing the trades, huh? All right, nothing. Okay, nothing. I'm expecting a structure shift, by the way, to the upside. What do we have today? Yeah, so that's good. I'm behind with the text here. One trade puts me to, yeah. I mean, one trade in a session. I cannot do it. I mean, I can't. I can't. If I see something, I kill myself before I mean. I can't do that. Okay, but it helped me to do way less trades instead of 30. Yeah, I mean 30 trades is too much. I agree with that. But if I see a setup and it fails, and 20 minutes or 30 minutes later, I see the same exact model I used to take, and I say no, I'm not going to take it because it's still, it's still 30 minutes and not going to take it because I said to myself, I'm not. No, I am not. I would kill myself. I cannot. I have to jump in. If I see my setup, I'm going to execute. That's it. But kudos to you, Aaron. The silver bullet model happens only on some hours that they focus. Focusing on that helped me a lot. Yeah, the silver bullet is a good session if you want to practice that. Yeah, try it out. If you know your risk of it, yeah. Best trader talk. Guys, this is a therapy session. You guys know that. Give me a second, guys. I have to grab a drink and go to the bathroom. So I forbid you guys to go anywhere. We're going to check out what's happening here. I'll be back in 2 minutes, all right? All right, I'm back. I'm back. Everything is fine. Don't worry, guys. I'm here. Why are we only moving in this sideways market right now? Nothing is happening. ES is also down there. I'm telling you guys that this market right now is just not what I have anticipated. I mean, it's just not the best market right now today. No volume actually. What is dollar index doing? Oh, dollar index is going down. If it would go down, it's going to reach for that 4-hour sell side at 101.70. So NQ. All right, we're starting to see something here on the 1 minute. Be prepared, guys. Also on the 3 minute, NQ is doing something crazy. Oh no, I take that back. Market structure shift on the 1 minute. It can still happen on the 3 minute, but we need this. No, I take it back. Nothing, guys. It's not good because it repriced it immediately. What's happening on the 5 minute? Nothing. Let's see the 1 hour. Liquidity void has been repriced. On the 1 hours, there is nothing until 683. So 683. On the 30-second, nothing. No setup, guys. Absolutely no setup. Let's check the 500 tick chart. Well, you know, not the best small entry on the 500 tick chart. I used to see, I'm always checking the tick chart because I think the tick chart is a useful indicator. I consider it as an indicator most likely, but sometimes I take trades on this one as well. So there's a market structure shift. If someone wants to go long, there was an entry at 90. It should go down all the way up, all the way up to around 40. And we have some highs, nice highs up there at the 40s. So I like the tick chart. Sometimes it shows a little bit different picture of the market, and I do think it's a useful tool to have. Look at this high up here. It's at 38, the body of the candle. It's 30 points up. It's 38 here. Look at that. I think it can definitely go there. We have bearish order block on the 30-second. It's a very risky trade. It's a different strategy. Well, basically it's the same concept, but if you want to take a trade on that, you can do it. I might take it on the it's far. It's already 10 points off, but it's above 800, so that's a good news. I might take it okay, and it's gonna go to 24 for sure. 24 is guaranteed. I guarantee you 24. I do a personalized guarantee that it's gonna go to 24. Personalized guarantee. Just saying. 24. Personalized guarantee that is gonna go to 824. There you go. What the hell am I doing? Alright. So personalized guarantee. It's gonna go to 24. You guys will see it. 24 is right here. I'm gonna put an alert for you guys. Personalized guarantee. We're going to 24. And if you're curious why, then join my Discord membership. Really, that's it. It's only $47, guys, and I can talk to you guys all day long. 24 personalized guarantee. 24 824. You guys, it's a personalized guarantee. 824 is it's a fact. I mean, it's just a question of time, you know. That's it. 824, I'm calling it. I took it on the one of my challenge accounts. I'm going to show you that I have an open position right here. There you go, with one contract. I took the trade. Personalized guarantee 24. My TP is at 24. So you can, you know, put it in an envelope with seal and everything. Personalized guarantee. Now the question is, what if it fails? You know, it won't. But if it does, I'm going to drink some juicy refreshener here. There. So 12 points away. Don't take my word on it. Personalized guarantee 24. Don't worry about this wick. It's gonna go there. It's not even a question. Don't worry. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's gonna go there. 24. It's going to go there. Oh, we're gonna go there. We are definitely. If someone knows the answer why, then I don't know what's gonna be the prize, but that's my personalized guarantee. But what if we don't go there? I wonder. I don't know what I'm gonna do then, because then you guys are just gonna block me and never come back here again. Oh no. I told you guys not to take it. I told you. I told you don't take that trade. But still, I have my personalized guarantee on that. But I told you, do not take that trade. Oh my god, now I feel terrible. We're still going to 24, just saying. So, don't worry. I know you guys are scared. If someone took this trade, I took it as well. You guys could see it. I took it on my challenge account. Not my live account, because I'm not that stupid. But I took it on my challenge account. Maverick says, I got it. I'm targeting that M15 FVG. There you go. There you go. You deserve a double applause. There. That's where we're going, guys. We pretty much took everything out. Price needs some refreshments, and the refreshments are over 24. You know, liquors, beer, wine, champagne, everything is up there at 24. So price wants to say hello to 24 and wants to feel good, so it wants to go to 24. That's it. You're welcome. That's it. You guys want to get stressed? Let's get stressed. This is the music when I play if I go full margin, full leverage, you know, for 2 points. All right. Don't let me down. 15-minute fair value gap. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm still in the trade, but it's having a hard time. Oh no. Oh no. Anyway, let's watch some Don Rickles, alright? I love the guy.
A year to Joanna.
That's right.
Correct. Your lovely wife was not here tonight, unfortunately. She's in New York with her organ and monkey. On the Tonight Show with you. Good Lord. I mean, Reynolds was a very glib guy, a Buddy Hackett, one of our great comedy minds. And when we were both finished to Buddy and Ed and Bertie had a party for your anniversary. You weren't invited? No, you were at the Dinah Shore cooking. And Johnny, this is inside. For God's sakes, as Jack, what's that quarterback's name? The kid on fellow.
I know it's 5,000.
In the lounge. And we. And after
Together Ed and I for 50.
some beef.
I'm here tonight, and I hope I can get.
In this NBC concert. The food alone.
Wait, I gotta tell you the script. See, Carl Reiner, Bill Persky, and Sam Denoff. Hello. Sent me.
Anyway. Now NQ is just playing with your mind. The 50% of the FVG will be filled. Really? Really? 50%? Which FVG? The 15-minute? What the hell are you talking about? Okay. 50% of the fair value gap. Or not? Or is it the 4 hour? Or what are we talking about? Who knows? I don't know. Maverick is tired. Don't listen to him. I told you guys, personalized guarantee on 24. What else do you want? Maybe it's gonna take some time, but hey. I hope you guys can't see me. I'm in the dark. Oh no, it's gonna go down. It's gonna fail, guys. It's not a joke. It's gonna fail. What do we do now? Damn. What do we do now? Not gonna lie, I'm down. But only with one contract. Oh no. It's gonna go down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Uh-oh. 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 Battle stations, everyone. It's going down. Okay, if it goes down, chill. If it goes down, it should be going down here to 63. I still have my personalized guarantee that it's gonna go up there. Oh, but it seems like it wants to go to that 61. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Now I feel terrible for you guys. Sell side at 63. Doesn't look good, not gonna lie. Doesn't look good. Retracing into a 30-second fair value gap. Yeah, just did it, and now boom, it's gonna go down. What a shame. $875, 785, sorry, and then 826 will come. All right, I give you that. But I believe in your thank you. Well, you know, there's a swing low just at the market data close at 762-ish area. It's not accurate. Unfortunately, I think it can go there. I still have my personalized guarantee on 824. So let's see. $820. Relative equal highs, by the way. 820. Yes, that's true. 1, 2, 3, almost like 4 times here, relative equal highs, which is good. The only problem is it's on the 30-second/1 minute charts. Never mind. Yeah. Well, you know, it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's almost like in the same area, so there is definitely some kind of liquidity there, because as you can see, that's the beginning of the fair value gap at 824 is just above that. So I would say that this right here is definitely holding some liquidity. You know, it's definitely holding some liquidity up there. That doesn't mean that first it cannot dive down into 63. It looks like it will. It definitely looks like it wants to, but the problem is we don't have enough volume. 66, almost 20 points there. Almost 20 points there. What the? Damn it, I'm sorry guys, I have to close this trade because it doesn't look good, to be honest. I think it wants to go down to that 63 area. Well, at least it looked like it. It's very close. I'm gonna show you. This is the point I'm talking about. 63 actually. Feels like it wants to touch it to reprice this small gap down there. Otherwise, I have no idea what it wants to do. I'm talking about. I'm taking a flight to USA and beating up ICT. Don't do that. It's not worth it. Trust me. Don't beat up ICT. Why do you want to beat him up? Don't beat him up. Where does he live? Fuck. He's gonna go down. It's not ICT's fault, yeah. Well, I don't know what the hell does it want to do. But for a brief moment it seems like it wanted to take out that 63 or reprice this level, you know. Right here. It can still do that. But my personalized guarantee is still up there. So. Just saying. It's going up there slowly. Maybe it will go there. Maybe you have to fly to ICT and give him a bunch of flowers. It's going up again. Yeah. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's not going up. It's going down. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It's gonna go to 63. It's gonna go to 63, guys. What the hell should we do? 27.99. What the hell? It's going down to 63. There. There we have it. Let's look at what kind of a area did it took out to go down there. Yeah. All right. Let's beat up ICT. Actually, now we can have finally some good long positions. Now that it repriced this range, it almost, well, it's not. It wasn't perfect, but it's like an order block. Should be looking for reversal. Yeah, look for the flight and let me know how it goes. And yeah. Anyway, I'm still looking for this level on the 15-minute chart. That's why I marked it. Relative equal highs there if we are going long. But let's no, I don't have money. I'm going to hide in a ship. You can't do that to Michael. Oh, look at that. Sell side is down there, 727. Now I think that the 727, the next level is going to be the 700s. If we break through the 727, guys, it can be easily going down to 684. My gosh, 684. Let's put something there. 684. There. Sell side liquidity 684. Please do push the like button and subscribe. Thank you, guys. And make sure to check out my links. So, I don't know. It now I just lost my thoughts. Honestly, guys. Yeah, 700 on the table. Absolutely, that's what I'm thinking. 700 is absolutely on the table right now on NQ. What the hell is ES doing? Oh no, look at ES. 3 points down. It's gonna drag down NQ with it. It's gonna make a new low. So let's search for any kind of fair value gap, even on the 30-second. 30-second chart right here. If you guys want to take a short, there was a fair value gap here. If someone wants to risk the 700s, I might risk it with a challenge account. 27.99. I might going to risk it with a challenge account, but I'm gonna wait a little bit more to get into a around to 68 area on the 1 minute, which is right here. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna sell here on a challenge account, and I'm also taking a sell here on my other challenge account. So 2 challenge accounts now in a sell position. And let's look at what the hell is going on here. Let's find some take profit levels. And I'm not trading my funded account today more. All I can show you guys is that on my funded accounts I made 234 on one and 247 on the other. So both of the accounts are over 200, which counts into the payment threshold. So that's good. I'm happy about that. But I'm only trading micros on those accounts, so micro positions, not minis. Okay, thank you for being here, Sarvesh or Maverick. Have a great one and see you soon. Applause for Maverick. He's a great sport. So I'm gonna be looking for the 725. I'm gonna go for 720. What's my entry? I don't even know. I'm gonna go for 730 here. 730 is enough for me. I'm gonna go for 730. $730.50. Let's go. And I have to find a possible stop loss level here. I have to find a possible stop loss level. 730. 730. Okay. So where should I put my stop? My entry was at 60. I'm gonna put it to up here. That's too high. If it reprices this gap, it's too high. I don't like it, but I think I have to deal with it. Oh man, I think I have to deal with this one. Bearish order block. I have to put it. It's way high. It's way above my risk. 93.75. It's above my risk. I have to think of something. I don't like that. It's 93. Okay, I put it to 92.75, but it's way above. It's not. I don't want to lose this much on this trade, so that's not so good. That's not too elegant. Drawn liquidity should be down there. And we still have the 681 level. How does it look like on the 1 hour? Yeah, still 821. It's risky, guys. I'm telling you guys, it's risky. It's risky. Already in the 4 hour. What is the consequent encroachment of this candle? We can measure it quickly. It's not going to be perfect. I know that. It's at 700. Okay, then we're good. Okay, we're good. We have space to go down. We'll see what happens. Man. Trading is hard. Yeah, trading is a permanent head fuck. Yeah, we can say that. Definitely. I'm gonna quote you on that. Getting this brain fuck managed is the key to success. If you can manage this, then you can be successful. So I'm looking for this. I speak like I'm a professional. Hey, you are actually, if you think about that, and we are going to the therapy session right now. If you think about it, you are profitable, Aaron, because I mean, metaphorically speaking, no, you are, because if you want to learn trading and you do everything, you learn, you struggle, you go through all that obstacles, then you already did much more than I think 70% of the people who dives into trading, because I think 70% of the people who goes into trading, let it be forex or futures or options, whatever, they think that they just sit down, push the button like a video game, and they're going to be rich in 2 weeks. But the effort that you're here, you're putting time into this, you're learning, you know, I think that's already like more than halfway to profitability. That's what I think. So put in the energy. That's good. Hey, 4 years is good. Dude, I have at least 6 years. I have 6 years of chart experience. And the first 4 years of that 6 years was a total head fuck. I'm sorry to say that. Well, the first 4 years for me was the living hell. I mean, my personal life, you know, I told you about that. My personal life and everything around me. I honestly, when I lost my savings and the money from my cars, I had a beautiful BMW which I sold. I put the money, most of the money, not everything, most of the money into trading accounts. There was no prop firm. I mean, there was, but I didn't know that it was. Anyway, it's too long story. I put it to an account. I lost it. That year, that particular year, when I lost my car money, my savings, I don't even remember. I don't even remember what I did this year. I don't know how Christmas went. I don't even remember my birthday that year. Lots of memories just faded out from that year. Really, I don't know how I survived. I really don't. I was just struggling. Like I don't know. It was really crazy. Your BMW was stolen and burnt? No way. No way, dude. I had beautiful. I had more. I had a 7 Series. I had a Z4 or Z4 ES, which at that time was beautiful. I had exactly the same car like this. I had exactly the same color. I had the Z4, the 35 ES. This is not an ES because it doesn't have the silver side mirrors. I love this car, and I had to sell it, and I lost that money too. Now this is exactly what I had. This is exactly the spec I had. I had the silver mirrors. I had the same wheels. The same spec. I had it. So I sold the car. I put it to trading account, and I lost it. There you go. So what do you think? I was a complete idiot, man. I was a complete idiot. I put it to... So... I'm red on all 20 funded today. Minus 4k. Oh, I didn't see you there, Methodical Man. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the hell has happened? What the hell happened? You're red on all 20 funded today. Minus 4k total. Well, you know... All I can tell you is anyway, since nobody's here, I can show you guys. I'm just gonna... This is my funded accounts. There you go. One of my funded accounts, the other one is not here, not on this NinjaTrader. I have made $234 today, mid-micro, with only 2 micros, I think. And the other one I made $247. So this is how I do on 2 of these. I have one more funded account ready, but I'm not trading it. So it is what it is. Anyway, it's not much money, I know. It's not in the thousands, but I made this money with only trading micros. With only micros. So that's good. And now I'm just waiting for this to go down a little bit. What the hell happened, man? Just hit the daily loss limit. Took 1 trade on each pack off for... Not a big deal, really. But how the hell did that happen? 20 funded accounts because, yeah, you're trade copying. You're trade copying. Yeah, thank you. But as I said, I'm just trading micros. I missed a few setups today. Hey, the whole day was a crazy thing that was happening here. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I might gonna close this trade, because if it's not gonna take out that sell side, I'm just gonna close it. What the hell? Missed a few setups. My mental daily loss limit. Oh yeah, I see that. So, are you streaming right now? Olikaka, hey there. You should make TraderWeight accounts for DEX trading in the morning. Well, the problem is I can't trade DEX on Top Step. I can't trade DEX on Top Step. I cannot. Sorry to hear that, man. But hey, I mean, since you're having so much accounts there, I mean, I mean, I guess you can recoup it easily. Hopefully. And guys, if I want to be honest with you, I went down to limit down on one of my challenge accounts today. I can show you. There you go. I hit my max daily limit. Went down to 150. This other account is still in profit, 155. And that's it. That's the two. And this one on trader weight is on trader weight. It's still at 151. But I'm only using one contract on this account, so it's very slow. It's progressing very slowly. But this account, I'm considering to close the trade, and at least I'm gonna exit the day at break even on this account. I'm still $1,000 in a plus, so I'm just gonna close this trade. Yeah, I closed it. I closed the trade. So this account is at 155, so that's good. And this one right here, I don't know what the heck am I gonna do with it. And I'm also closing this position down there. There you go. I just don't like how it looks like. So, man, oh man, it's a tough day. Apex trader weight. Oh well, yeah, I can do that. I can do that at Apex. Yeah, it's a good idea actually. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Maybe I should do that. Really. Apex trader weight with the German index. I have 26 total funded accounts. My god, 26 funded accounts. The man is a beast. Now he's gonna drop down. Guys, I'm gonna shoot myself in the brain. Since I made my $200 goal on two of my funded accounts, I'm only trading challenge accounts for the rest of the day. But honestly, the kill zone is open, so I have to buy. I know you guys can't see me. I have to buy some lamps because in my room it's dark. I live in hell, and there need to be some lights so you guys can see my pretty face in the stream. It's a crazy day, definitely. My bias was bullish anyway, and I don't know what the hell happened. I was very sure that this is a manipulation, and look at this, up, down, and then it went down. I thought that this is gonna be the manipulation, and then it's gonna shoot up, and it didn't go up. So I don't know what the hell. Took out this one. I don't even know if it's worth to trade this price action. Let's look at the 1 minute. Crazy candles. 3 minute chart. Structure break. Well, maybe there is something on the 3 minute right here. Small fair value gap here. I don't know. I don't know if I want to take a trade on this. Let's see the 5 minute. It seems like still bearish. This one is a bearish order block. Well, it seems like it is. I really don't like this price action. The whole day is pretty much bearish, and I don't think that the trend is going to change for now. I got tapped into... No, I didn't. To the no fair value gap here, so never mind. Well, you know, I don't know. What is ES doing? ES is, well, not too much. Going down. Yeah, so this is gonna be a bearish day. I just wonder how long is it gonna go. Is it gonna dive down deeper? Are we gonna take out the 681? Not sure. I don't think I want to chase this. I lost already. some money on this. I mean, virtual money, virtual profit, simulated profit. I don't think I wanna continue. I still think there is some sell side liquidity below this wick, which is about 30 points down. But guys, I pretty much think I might going to call it as well. I made some simulated profits on my simulated account, and I made $1,000 on one of my challenge accounts, and this day is just crazy. So I don't know. I might just gonna cut it here. All right. So guys, I think I'm gonna say farewell for now, for today. Sorry, just for today, not forever. And that's it for me. I'm just gonna cut it. So thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe, check out my links. I know my stream bot is spamming all over the place. I'm gonna reset the settings. So have a great day, everyone. Great evening. I think this session is most likely it. So see you guys in London, and have a great evening, and thank you so much for everyone for being here. All right, so cheers everyone, and see you guys tomorrow.